Bob is a manufacturing engineer responsible for the quality control of different assembly lines, such as mechanical, electronics, and medical device equipment. All these different lines have one thing in common: their assembly must be completed correctly, or it will cost his company lots of money. Bob knows that for every mistake that leaves the factory, it costs his company anywhere between hundreds to several thousands to correct, not to mention the reputational damage done to his company. This is stressful for Bob, as there are a lot of things to check, and it hasn't been easy to automate checks, until now. After a quick Google search, Bob finds Viska Systems. Viska has created a unique solution called Visable, which makes it easy for Bob to automate inspection tasks on his manufacturing line by using robots with cameras. Even though Bob has never used robotics or machine vision before, he can get some tasks automated and running with only 15 minutes training. Using Visable, he is able to perform checks such as presence, absence, dimensional checks, color checks, check for cosmetic defects, and even read text. All this is possible because Visable incorporates advanced machine vision artificial intelligence technology, something that Viska are experts at. What makes Visable really attractive to Bob is that it can be customized to interface with other test equipment, is Industry 4.0 compatible, and is very cost effective, with most other users achieving a return on investment in less than 4 months. After a quick inquiry with Viska, Bob was able to speak with a specialist engineer and organise a demonstration to show that the system would work for his needs. So why don't you be like Bob and contact Viska Systems today to see how we can help you improve quality and save money.